Historical development of roads. First, Romans constructed the road in 312 BC. After, with some modification in the Romans' construction techniques, a person called Pierre Tresaguet constructed road in France in 1764. After Pierre Tresaguet, a person, Thomas Telford, in London, constructed a road with some modification in 1803. After him, John Macadam in England constructed a road in 1815 with some modifications. First, in Roman roads, the thickness of pavement is 0.75 to 1.2 meter. Here thickness is 30 centimeter, 35 to 40 centimeter, and 25 centimeter. Whereas width of the road is 5 meter, 5.4 meter, 9 meter, 9 meter. In Roman roads, no pavement slope and drainage is allowed. Whereas in this construction, side drains are provided with the slope of 1:20 and top surface pavement slope of 1:45. In this construction, no drainage is allowed, no drainage facility is provided, pavement slope of 1:45 at the top surface. In this construction, side drains are provided with the slope of 1:20 and the whole pavement is provided with the slope of 1:36. Whole thickness is provided with the slope of 1:36. In Roman construction, large stones are used at top surface as well as bottom. In this construction, large stones at foundation use only at the foundations. In this construction, similarly to the Pierre Tresaguet, large stones at foundation only. In John Macadam construction, no large stones are used. Development of roads in India. In 1927, a Ziegler committee is held for the discussion on the road development in India. After the discussion, the committee gave some recommendation. First, road construction in India considered as a national interest. Next, extra taxes on the petrol and diesel, which will be collected by the organization Central Road Fund, which is formed in 1929. Advisory committee should be formed. The committee is Indian Road Congress. In 1934, it is formed. A research institute should be formed. That is Central Road Research Institute. It is formed in 1950. And fifth recommendation is a 20 years plan is prepared for the road construction. These are some important organization which were asked repeatedly in the examination. First is Central Road Organization. It is formed in 1930. Motor Vehicle Act in 1939. National Highway Act 1956, which was revised in 1995. Border Road Development Board in 1960. Highway Research Board in 1973. National Highway Authority of India in 20 years road plan. Out of 5 recommendations, Ziegler committee given one recommendation that a 20 years road plan should be prepared one by one. There are 3 20 years road plan: Nagpur Road Plan, Bombay Plan, and Lucknow Plan. Nagpur Road Plan from 1943 to 1961. It is not 20-year road plan, it is 18-year road plan. After 18 years, government realized that it is not efficient for the road development in India. Hence, after 61, a new plan is adopted, that is Bombay Plan from 61 to 1981. Lucknow Plan from 1981 to 2001. We are going to compare these 3 road plans by one point. First is on the basis of classification. The Nagpur Road Plan is classified into 5 categories. First, national highway, state highway, major district road, other district road, and village road. Similarly, Bombay Plan is classified, but in case of Lucknow Plan, the roads are classified into 3 categories: primary, that is national highway and expressway; secondary, state highway and major district road; third is tertiary, other district road and village roads. Next point is on the basis of road density. In the Nagpur road plan, it is 16 km per 100 km square area, whereas in Bombay plan it is 32, whereas in case of Lucknow plan it is 82. The Nagpur road plan is designed on the star and grid pattern. The expressway in Bombay plan are constructed 1600 km, whereas in case of Lucknow plan there are 200 km length expressway is. There are some formulas for the calculation of the length constructed in road plan. In case of Nagpur plan, for the national highway, state highway and major district road, the road length is calculated by formula A by 8 plus B by 32 plus 1.6 n plus 80 plus D minus R. This is the calculated length is in kilometer, whereas to calculate the length in miles, the formula is A by 5 plus B by 20 plus n plus 5t plus D minus R, whereas A is the agricultural area, B is non-agricultural area, n is number of towns with the population 2000 to 5000, whereas T is the number of towns with the population 5000, whereas D is the allowances for the development. In case of Nagpur plan it is 15%. R is the railway length. For other roads, the length calculated, that is roads are other district road and village roads. In miles it is V by 5 plus Q by 2 plus R plus 2S plus D, where V is number of towns with the population less than 500, Q is the number of towns with the population 500 to 1000, R is the number of towns with the population 1000 to 2000, whereas S is the number of towns with the population 2000 to 5000. D is the development allowances. In case of other district road and village roads, it is 5%. Similar to the Nagpur road plan, the road length is calculated in case of Lucknow plan with some formulas. Total length is calculated by road density into the area, 4.74 into number of villages, whereas national highway length is calculated by the formula total area divided by 50. State highway length is calculated by total area divided by 25 or 62.5 into number of villages minus length of national highway. Whichever is maximum from this both is taken as the length of state highway. Major district road length, total area divided by 12.5 or 90 into n. N is the number of villages or town. Whichever is maximum from this both is taken as the major district road length. Village road or other district roads are calculated by the formula total length minus national highway plus state highway plus major district road kilometer, whereas next one is a Porbandar to Silchar NH27. Next highway is Delhi to Chennai, it is NH48. From Punjab to Karnataka it is NH52. Next highway is in Meghalaya highway is NH6, whereas the smallest highway, or we can call it as shortest highway in India, is Kerala NH47A. The length of the highway is 6 km. The highway NH30 is from Uttarakhand to Andhra Pradesh. After the important highways, one question is asked that golden quadrilateral length, that is 5846 km. The golden quadrilateral consists of Delhi to Mumbai, Mumbai to Chennai and Chennai to Karnataka. From Delhi to Mumbai and Mumbai to Chennai it is called as NH48. From Delhi to Karnataka it is NH19 and from Chennai to Karnataka it is NH16. Whereas next question is the two longest highway in India are Srinagar to Kanyakumari and Porbandar to Silchar. The total length of this both highways is 7150. Next is Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. This question is not frequently asked, but from the MCQ point of view it is important. Roads in villages with the population 1000 and in the hilly villages with the population 500, these are roads constructed in which years, that is in year 2000 up to year 2003, whereas up to 2007, which are the two roads are constructed, that is road in the villages with the population 500 and the roads in the hilly village with the population